In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve sync conflicts in Microsoft OneNote. A sync conflict in OneNote happens when different edits are made to the same part of a page before OneNote has a chance to sync them together. Think of two people changing the same paragraph at the same time, or you editing on one device while another device is still offline. To protect your notes, OneNote doesn't choose one version over the other. Instead, it creates a conflicted copy and shows a yellow warning bar on the page so nothing gets lost. Here's how to get everything back into one clean, up-to-date page. Start by opening the page that shows the sync conflict message. You'll see a warning or an icon indicating there are conflicting versions. OneNote will present the conflicted copy alongside your main page so you can decide what to keep. On the conflicted version, select all the content so you can capture anything important that isn't in your main page. Press Ctrl+A to highlight everything or use the menu to choose Select All. Then copy the selection by pressing Ctrl+C. This gives you a full backup of the conflicted content so nothing slips through the cracks. Next, switch to the main version of the page, the one you want to keep as your final source of truth. Paste the copied content where it belongs by pressing Ctrl+V. You can paste at the end to review it safely, or insert it in the exact section that's missing details. As you paste, skim for duplicates, decide which wording is most accurate, and remove any extra bits that no longer apply. If formatting looks off after pasting, tidy it up so the page remains easy to read. Once you've merged the key changes and confirmed the main page reflects everything you want, you can clean up the duplicate. Use the Delete Version button on the yellow information bar to remove the conflicted copy. This step prevents confusion later and tells OneNote that the main page is now the canonical version. After the duplicate is deleted, the warning should disappear and the page will sync normally with your notebooks across devices. If you often collaborate or switch devices, it helps to finish editing on one device before starting on another and to give OneNote a moment to sync in between sessions. Following this simple merge and cleanup approach lets you keep all valuable changes, avoid losing work, and maintain a single accurate page going forward.